In this video, I'm going to show you how to use DoorDash credits to pay. So if you have credits from DoorDash, like for example, from a previous refund or even from like gift card or anything. So what you can do if you go to your profile here, so if you have any gift card, you can go to your profile and go to the gift card section and redeem it and apply the credits to your account. So once you have all the credits on your account here, so what you can do in order to apply this is you simply don't really have to do much about it. All you have to do is your credit balance will be instantly added. Okay, your balance will be added instantly and they will appear under the payment section in DoorDash credits. So what happens is if you click on the payment method on your account, okay, so here you will see any of your DoorDash credits that you will able to see that under here your DoorDash credits. Okay, it will be applied here and you can redeem your gift card also here to add the credits. Okay, once you have all these credits, in order to like use it to pay for it, all you have to do is just make an order. So just go make an order. Okay, so when you make an order and once you get to the checkout section, okay, so when you make an order and go to the checkout page here, so where you enter like everything and go to the payment page here, the payment section. So what happens here is that if for most DoorDash credits, it will be automatically applied, okay, including gift cards or any previous credits and everything. There will be automatically be applied to qualifying orders at your checkout when you get to this page here up to the available balance. So you just have to simply proceed, just check it whether it's been applied and then hit on place order and then proceed with the order. And that's how you pay. You literally don't really have to do anything. It will be applied automatically.